commercial laundry systems utilize direct drive motor with inverter technology, which costs remarkably low maintenance fee due to the efficient energy and water usage. It precisely controls the tub to utilize proper amount of power for saving energy. As a result, it delivers the highest energy efficiency, proven by being selected as top tier 3 in CEE of the United States. LG Commercial Laundry System is free from fixing on concrete or elevated metal base. This feature makes install, remove, and relocate without fixing on the floor. This feature dramatically reduces installation cost. Also, the small cabinet size with bigger washing capacity, stackable design allows more customers and more machines in limited space. Atomizing system prevents secondary contamination of clothing by removing detergent suds on the door and reduces washing cycle by quickly soaking clothes with fresh water spray. Top-mounted dispenser helps not only pouring detergents easily, but also keeping around the machine clean. It optimizes gas and air intake during the dry cycle, preventing gas wastage compared to conventional on-off systems. The tub cleaning feature makes it easy to keep the washing machine clean. Thanks to the 10-degree tilt of the tubs, LG Commercial Laundry Systems deliver equal washing performance as conventional laundry systems while using less water. And the dual lock system prevents frequent laundry thefts. LG Commercial Laundry System, featuring the direct drive system with the motor driving the tub directly, offers outstanding durability thanks to simple structure without belts or pulleys, and reduces costs when repair is required. Simultaneous rinsing and spinning also reduces the duration of each wash cycle, cutting down waiting time and allowing more cycles per day. The stainless steel tub guarantees a much longer lifespan. And the removable front panel for easy inspection minimizes the downtime from possible repairs. LG Commercial Laundry System is built using steel panels to reduce the risk of damages while offering a stylish design. Auto-dosing system ready LG Commercial Laundry System enables customized laundry by automatically controlling detergent input depending on the amount and type of clothing. Via smart programming, it allows you to conveniently set and use the optimized washing course. Micro-managed washing courses fit for any laundry conditions, and 20 presets are savable. Anytime and anywhere, LG Commercial Laundry System will provide the best laundry performance. The extensive lineup of washing capacity makes it possible to provide customized washing services according to customers' demands. A key to success: LG Commercial Laundry System.